this time, we also have something in there. I hope you guys know about it, right? It's the true wireless buds for every Indian. The Realme Buds Air. Yes, to reveal such an amazing product, I would like to invite on stage our new product manager from the tech lifestyle category, Mr. Srihari. Srihari.
Hello everyone. Are you excited for the Realme Buds Air? Okay. So my name is Srihari. I am the product manager for Realme India. Now, in the journey of evolving as a tech lifestyle brand, we at Realme have been diversifying into accessories. From the Realme Buds 1 to the gorgeous looking Realme Buds 2 and Realme Buds Wireless, our products have seen unprecedented success in the Indian market. We had also collaborated with world-renowned DJ Alan Walker to co-produce the Realme Buds Wireless to give our youth an enhanced music experience. But today, we take the leap to truly wireless, to give you an experience that's just at another level. So let's take a quick look at this truly wireless beauty. Allow me to introduce to you the Realme Buds Air, Realme's first true wireless stereo earbuds. Now, with the technology of true wireless, we've tried to create an experience that you will not forget. So let's start with pairing. So the first time you take the Realme Buds Air out of the box, you open that cap and your Bluetooth settings will instantly recognize it. Once that initial connection is made, every time you open that cap, it's connected to your phone. It is absolutely magical. The whole process just fits to the natural usage habit that we have, and it does not need any redundant operation, and we do that by using the beauty of technology. Also, it supports Google Fast Pair protocol. So if you see that pop-up on top, every time you'll try to make a new device connection, it'll show that pop-up and you can instantly connect without going anywhere else, which makes the experience extremely new. Then we talk about latency. When it comes to wireless buds, latency can be very annoying. You might not notice it when you're listening to music, but when watching a movie and especially playing a game, have you realized that when you're using a wireless earbud, you hit that shoot button, the sound comes 2 seconds later? Well, that is latency. And we want latency to be as low as possible, which is why at Realme, we customized a new R1 chip based on Bluetooth 5 protocol to ensure extreme low latency. Furthermore, the two buds synchronize to the phone and together to ensure that the audio latency is as low as possible and the sync is absolutely great. To give you an even more immersive experience while gaming, we have prepared a new gaming mode on the Realme Buds Air. As soon as you activate that gaming mode, the latency will drop another 51%, bringing it to among the lowest in the industry. How do I know that? Well, let's take a look at some data. The AirPods have a latency of 204 milliseconds. It's quite low, right? What about the Realme Buds Air? 120 milliseconds. So it is absolutely low. That's the kind of latency that you'll get with the Realme Buds Air. We've also integrated a lot of innovative tech into that small compact form factor that you see. It has a chipset, a battery and drivers. Also, there are two microphones as you can see on the screen right now. One of them will record your voice and the other one will record the environmental noise, and they'll together offset that background noise that you have in calls, which means that when you're in a call, you do not have to worry about your call quality one bit. Also, sound is one of the most important parts of an earbud experience, and we did not forget that at all. We have a big 12mm driver and we have a dynamic bass boost solution as well to give you that punchy bass. Also, take a look at that audio curve, and what you'll realize is that not just bass, in all other areas of the sound, the Realme Buds Air gives you that high fidelity sound that you're looking for. Also, we did not stop here. We included some smart technology into the buds. Tell me if this has happened to you. You're listening to your favorite music, right? And someone comes in and wants to talk to you. What you generally do is take out your phone, you unlock that, aim at that small pause button there is, you pause the song and then you look up to talk. Well, with the Realme Buds Air, you do not have to do that. Just take that bud out of your ear and the music automatically pauses. Magical, isn't it? That's not it. And the music will resume again. Now, unlike magicians, we would show you our tricks, and how we do that is an optical sensor that you saw. It will detect when it's in your ear. Also, the Realme Buds Air would not be truly wireless without some touch controls. So double tap as you saw right now, you can play or pause your music. You can also answer your call. Triple tap, you can go to the next song. And long press, you can go to your assistant, whatever assistant is on your device. So it doesn't matter if you're using an Android phone, an iOS phone, anything. And you can also reject that annoying guy who's talking to you on the phone. Also, battery life is one of the most important parts of the Buds Wireless. And on the Buds, you can, okay, I forgot gaming mode. So for gaming mode, also what you can do is just hold that button for 2 seconds, just touch the Realme Buds Air and you'll enter gaming mode. Also touch it again and you'll exit gaming mode. That's how simple it is. Now let's move to battery life. So we have 3 hours of battery life on the single Buds and 17 hours total playback with that charging case, which should be more than enough for a day of usage. Also, the Realme Buds Air would not be completely truly wireless if you didn't have wireless charging. So yes, the Realme Buds Air does support officially wireless charging, and that charger that you see, that beautiful little block, it is from Realme. It is a 10-watt Qi compatible charger which will be available to buy separately very, very soon. Now we come to design, and as a design-oriented manufacturer, the design of those buds was very important to us. Realme Buds Air are something that you're going to keep in your ear all day long, all night long. Even if you're talking on the phone, listening to music, even if you're not doing any of those things, you'll still keep them in your ear. Which is why we paid special focus to the weight. And we've brought the weight down to just 4.2 grams. To give you some context, if you take a sheet of A4 paper, which is 80 GSM thickness, it's around 5 grams. Take a lighter paper, take a thinner paper, it is 70 GSM, it's around 4.7 grams. So this thing is really, really, really light. Also, to go with the youth of India, the Realme Buds Air comes in 3 colors, white, black, and yellow, to suit your individual styles. Which one's your favorite color? That's because Madhav wear it. You liked it a lot. Okay, so now we also go to the durability of the buds, and we made sure we did a lot of tests to make sure that the buds stay with you for long. So the Buds Air supports 12,000 times of dropping. It can do 7,000 times of plugging and unplugging, all those large numbers, because we wanted the buds to be with you for a long time. And we wish that the Buds Air can be your best buds for months and years to come. And we made sure that the quality was up to that. Also, we are proud to be called the #1 quality smartphone brand, and that does come with a price. We have to extend all that quality to each and every product that we have, which is why we are extending that quality to the Realme Buds Air as well. Now, how do we do that? Well, if you have a truly wireless earbud, which a lot of you are going to buy, when you have it, you're scared that you might lose one bud. You might lose the case as well, because it happens to the best of us. Now, if you do that with the Realme Buds Air, you do not have to worry. Just go to the Realme Service Center and you can separately buy a single bud or even the case if you want. So you can do that from the Realme service. To put it boldly, the Realme Buds Air is currently the best true wireless earbud that fits everyone's need for all platforms. You must be wondering how I can say that. Well, let's look at a comparison. Now, as Madhav keeps saying, we respect our competitors a lot because they're providing a very quality experience to everyone, and we want to do that as well. If you look at all aspects that talk about user experience, we are up there with the best. Now, let's take a look at this beautiful Realme Buds Air. Air, an experience of a wireless world. Now, how excited are you for the Realme Buds Air again? I can't can't see enough excitement. How excited are you for the Realme Buds Air? Okay, so that's not it. There is more. Let's go to the hero product of the day, the Realme X2, the 64 megapixel performance expert.